Conversational hypnosis for pain management. How do we do this specifically? So, first off, pain management is something that you actually really want to research a lot. You want to have a really good solid base with regards to pain and how the nervous system perceives pain before you actually help your clients with this. And the reason why is that there are so many components with regards to pain, and you also want to be very clear as to how you can help your clients with this, because um, it's one of these things where it takes a really great holistic approach to be able to deal with something like pain, right? Let's say chronic lower back pain. And just to quickly answer the question of, can conversational hypnosis deal with and help heal chronic lower back pain? The answer is absolutely yes. But if you're a hypnotherapist and want to work with this niche, here are the things that you want to consider first. You really want to consider what the client has done with regards to this lower back pain. Have there been investigations made through a physician, through a chiropractor, physio, massage therapist, all of those things? You want to make sure that they have explored that first, and have a other alternative methods as well, because although I believe so much in hypnosis, there's also bigger power and better transformations if we do both, right? Hypnosis is more like a mind influencing the body thing. In advanced conversational hypnosis, we use the body a lot, but for the most part, you also want to make sure that the client has support with regards to the actual physical aspects, maybe through physiotherapy or through something like personal training, because they want to start mobilizing their joints and their range of movements, and they want to also want to learn helpful and functional movement patterns moving forward so that they can optimize their health, right? Because we can hypnotize them to get out of their low back pain, but if they actually haven't learned how to lift better because they lift a lot at work, and they injure themselves at work, then obviously they're just going to return to it, right? So set your clients up for success. Make sure that in your strategy calls, you explore that and even encourage your client to go through those aspects if they have not already, because that is, if you hear that, that's going to set you apart, right? That's going to set you apart because you are actually prescribing things that are going to be good for the client overall holistically. So that is the first thing that you want to consider. And so how would you use hypnosis for pain? There are a lot of obviously there are a lot of types of hypnosis. The traditional hypnosis can help with back pain, like the telling them what to do, relaxation, all of that stuff. So if you're trained in that, you can definitely test that out. Personally, I have not tried that for a client, but I have tried conversational hypnosis for successfully with a client with chronic back pain who a day later started deadlifting again at the gym. Crazy, crazy, crazy. And so really the principles of conversational hypnosis is just exploring what the root of all of these problems are, right? What actually, what has the mind held onto for a very long time that maybe it has kept for a reason that is now ready to come out, that our clients are still ignoring. So what this means is that, the client that I talked about, Ben, his interview is actually here in the YouTube channel. For him, he had a lot of emotions surrounding his past, accepting himself and his past. And because of that, that showed up through the physical manifestation of his chronic back pain. And so once he gave himself the permission to see all of that, he was able to shift it, to fix it, right? Become a new person. And this is, one of the biggest things, right? This is a great thing. And so that's how I would approach a hypnosis session. So if it was a conversational hypnosis sessions, everything is good. Yes, I'm moving my body more, but there's just this something that I know is maybe an emotional or mental component with regards to the back pain. So then in the session, I would be like, what's the problem? Back pain, blah, 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 blah. And we talk about the back pain, and the client starts talking about unconscious information, like, I just feel like I have a lot of weight to stabilize, to carry. I feel that I'm unstable, and I feel that I'm, all of those unconscious moments, I feel very unstable. So questioning whatever our clients tell us is going to be my approach. And through that, based on that, I'll just follow the breadcrumbs that the clients give me by focusing on their unconscious information. Like, what does the pain actually feel like, right? The sharpness, the tingling, the pressure, like those are unconscious expressions, right? And so focusing their attention on that and having them draw their attention to it is what's going to give them the insight as to what is actually going on with that back pain, so that the emotional or mental component gets shifted, so that when they start doing the physical things, it'll just get better. So that's how I would use conversational hypnosis for pain. How do you currently do it? How would you do it using your method? Definitely let me know. I would love to know. Otherwise, I'll see you soon. Let's make a massive impact together, one conversation at a time.